To send Bitcoin on No1x, you need to follow a series of steps to ensure a secure and successful transaction. First, you need to create an account on No1x and complete the verification process. This typically involves providing identification documents and proof of address to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Once your account is verified, you can deposit Bitcoin into your No1x wallet. To do this, navigate to the deposit section of your account and select Bitcoin as the currency you want to deposit. You will be provided with a unique Bitcoin address that you can use to send Bitcoin from an external wallet. Next, you need to obtain the recipient Bitcoin address. This is the address where you want to send the Bitcoin. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid sending Bitcoin to the wrong recipient. You can obtain the recipient address from the recipient directly or from a Bitcoin exchange. To send Bitcoin on No1x, navigate to the Send section of your account and enter the recipient Bitcoin address. You will also need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Make sure to check the transaction fees and the minimum withdrawal amount before confirming the transaction. After entering the recipient address and the amount of Bitcoin, you can review the transaction details. Check the transaction fees and the total amount of Bitcoin being sent. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction and the Bitcoin will be sent to the recipient. It is essential to keep your No1x account and Bitcoin wallet secure to prevent unauthorized access and theft. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Also, keep your computer and mobile device secure by installing antivirus software and keeping your operating system up to date. In conclusion, sending Bitcoin on No1x is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail and a basic understanding of Bitcoin transactions. By following the steps outlined above and taking the necessary security precautions, you can send Bitcoin securely and efficiently.